Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we will go through how to set up virtual environment in PyCharm. So let's get straight into it. First thing first we need to do is go to settings, so they are right over here, or you can press Ctrl, then you press Alt and S and you will open up the settings like so. After that you will go here to Python, the first one here, and after that you will choose interpreter right here, and now we are in this window here. Now what you need to do, click here on the right side at add interpreter, so click on that, and now you can choose from on SSH, on VCL, on Docker Compose. We will go with local. We will go with local interpreter. And now here you can select environment, select existing or generate new. So if you generate new, then here you can change your type of virtual environment. So we have Python, Conda, Pipen, V, Poetry, UV, and Hatch. Uh, I think these two first one are most common. So you can go with Conda. This one is also great. Then the second thing is base Python. So you will need to search where it is, where you have it, or if you know, that's even better. And then location, you will choose, for example, your project and open up, and it will be uh, like it should be. Now, after that, just hit OK, and you have your local environment. uh, Virtual environment. So if you select existing, it's also here you need to choose which one you have, and then Python path where you have that, and you will find it and it will work. So this is how we create virtual environment. If this helped you out, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.